The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. Throw those ED pills away. Miles with Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to tell us about a new treatment for ED. Miles, great to see you.
Good to see you too. Thanks for having me back.
Of course, we love when you're here. Okay, let's talk about this new treatment for erectile dysfunction.
You bet. For 30 years, all we've had is this pill, all of its side effects. Harvard did a study, and out of the 100% of men taking the pill, about 30% don't even respond to it. There's the side effects, the blurred vision. It's just not a good thing, and it's only putting a Band-Aid on the symptoms. It's not doing anything really to help in the long term.
Right. Now, going more back to the pill, I imagine the pre-planning is one of the tough parts about that too.
Well, yeah. I mean, if you're on a romantic time with your significant other, you don't really want to stop action to reach for a glass of water.
No, you don't want to pre-plan any of that, and which is what's great about Wasatch Medical is you don't have to. Now, with erectile dysfunction, does it affect every single man?
It might. So there's a lot of things that go into erectile dysfunction, lifestyle choices, even something as simple as riding your bike incorrectly can have an effect on ED. So a lot of us men think it might be eventually coming for us. So it's a lot like your eyesight. Once it starts to go, it's pretty important to get help right away for it.
Well, and I think it's important to remember it can start at any age. It's not necessarily for older gentlemen, right?
Oh yeah, we treat men from 20 to 90. So well within that age gap, they're experiencing even occasional failures in the bedroom.
Sure. Okay, let's talk about the new treatment that Wasatch Medical offers.
You bet. It's called acoustic wave therapy, and I'll tell you how it works. It's pretty wonderful. So the machine itself looks a lot like a small ultrasound machine.
Okay.
It's placed on the skin, and gentle pressure waves travel through the skin into the blood vessels, causing them to expand, sometimes repair themselves, and that allows for more blood flow. As you can imagine, more blood flow makes for better results in the bedroom.
Sure, that's what we want. Now, how many appointments does it take before we can fix the problem?
So there's been 60 independent clinical studies from 5 countries. Cambridge has studied this. The Cleveland Clinic has studied this. Some men are responding in 2 to 4 treatments. So realistically, by the 24th of July, you could have fireworks back in the bedroom.
Aha, I see what you did there, Miles. That's awesome. Now let's talk about each appointment. How long does it take?
About 15 minutes. We call it the lunch break treatment. You're probably, in fact, going to spend more time in your car than you will in the actual clinic. Then you're going to resume normal function. No pain, no side effects. This is a great thing. And there's an end date, unlike the pill.
That's amazing. Now, could it return after we get our treatments done, and what would we do at that point?
So, unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all treatment for anything, really. So, if that starts to go, you just come back in, we retreat you, and you're back on your way.
Well, there you go. Okay, now what would you have to say to someone who's a little bit hesitant about picking up the phone right now?
You know, I'm going to make it pretty simple in 2 ways. Guys, we're all normal. This is a stigmatized topic that we need to bring out into the open and talk about. We don't make fun of people when their eyesight starts to go.
Right.
Why would we keep making fun of people for a normal medical thing that we can treat and help you with?
Right.
Also, we've got a great special offer.
Okay,
Can I tell you
about it? Yes.
All right. So if you, or your significant other for that matter, want to get rid of the erectile dysfunction, give us a call. We're going to include the exam, the ultrasound, and the assessment. That's all free. Plus, I have an additional gift. It provides amazing results in the bedroom, worth hundreds of dollars, and you won't pay a dime. You literally have everything to gain and nothing to lose here.
Amazing. Miles, thanks for being here. Make sure to call the number on your screen for Wasatch Medical Clinic right now. Miles, great to see you. Thanks so much.
Thank you.